Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Apple is making major changes and upgrades in hardware components and design language. According to the latest available data, the new iPhone 18 Pro Max will receive a major update in the front panel, first time in Apple's timeline. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. According to the reports, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will be the first iPhones to feature an under-screen Face ID system. Sources on Weibo reported that the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will have the same screen size, measuring 6.3 and 6.9 inches. MacRumors suggested that the iPhone 18 Pro's front camera will be moved to the left. The biggest change in this lineup will be the relocation of the Face ID facial recognition system below the screen. Currently, the device only has a small hole in the screen for the front-facing camera. This would be a major advancement in iPhone design, as it would increase the display area on the front panel. However, it remains unclear whether Apple will continue to use the dynamic island design. The information also previously reported that the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will be the first iPhones to feature Face ID at the bottom of the screen. Specifically, the iPhone 18 Pro's screen will have a hole punch only in the upper left corner for the front-facing camera. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 18 Pro will feature a 48-megapixel main camera. Notably, this camera system will feature flexible aperture control. The camera's variable aperture feature allows users to easily control the amount of light passing through the lens and reaching the sensor. This helps the iPhone take better photos in a wide range of lighting conditions. The iPhone 18 Pro will receive a number of changes in design, camera, and performance. At the same time, this feature allows for greater control over depth of field, supporting portrait photography. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, Dutch manufacturer BE Semiconductor will provide the mechanical components for the camera cluster. Furthermore, the iPhone 18 Pro processor will be manufactured using TSMC's 2nm process. Standard versions, however, will continue to use 3nm chips. This upgrade helps the device improve performance and power consumption. The 18th generation iPhone will likely also feature up to 12 GB of RAM. This upgrade will help the device handle multitasking better, especially when working with Apple Intelligence tools and AI-powered tasks. The new iPhone 18 lineup will launch in September next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.